Good morning, everyone. So today class we discuss about braking, electrical braking. Today class we discuss about electrical braking. So the purpose of electrical braking is to decrease the speed. Decrease the speed. So decrease the speed and to stop the motor. Stop the motor. So our intention is to decrease the speed and to stop the motor. So when classify the electrical braking, so electrical braking are mainly classified into three types. What are there? Mainly classified into three types. So under that, the first one is plugging or reverse current braking. Plugging or reverse current braking. So second thing is dynamic braking. So and final one is regenerative braking. Regenerative braking. So electrical braking are classified into three types, that is plugging or reverse current braking, dynamic braking, regenerative braking. So today class we discuss two, that is plugging and dynamic braking. Plugging and dynamic braking. On next class we discuss about regenerative braking. So what is meant by plugging? What is meant by plugging? It is a one of the typing of braking system where supply voltage are reverse. Supply voltage are reverse. That means when we apply reverse voltage to the motor, so the braking system has arrives. So when a resistance also introduce, some braking resistance also connected to that. So when supply voltages are reverse, the armature current also reverse. So this is about the plugging. So in plugging means when we apply the reverse voltage, so the armature current also reverse. When armature current reverse, the speed opposite to the original direction. Opposite to the original direction. So up to now, suppose for example before applying the plugging, the speed direction is suppose clockwise. When you apply plugging, the direction is anti-clockwise. So the net speed is to be decreases. So the plugging diagrams for separate excited motor and series motor as shown here. Separately excited motor. So that is connect. So this is motor. So the separate winding that is fed to the separate so that is plus minus. So this is field that's why. So here I am also introduce one resistance, that is if any energy is there, that energy has to be disappear here. So here what I apply voltage, so I apply a reverse voltage. So suppose these armature terminals are A1 A2, so generally we apply normal voltage, but here during that plugging, so I can apply the reverse voltage. So due to this, the current will be flow like that. The current direction is flow like that. So when you see the characteristics, so this is motoring action. So that is speed versus torque. So this is the motoring. So while plugging, the torque is negative. So this is about plugging. So we know, so that back EMF VB equal to V minus IARA. For here, what kind of this value? So that is here when your reverse voltages are applied, So that is negative voltage here, that is negative voltage, minus V plus IA RA. So that is IA RA equal to generally EB minus V, EB minus V plus, here when you apply reverse voltage, that's why minus, that is going to be plus. EB equal to, generally we have V plus IRA, EB equal to V plus IRA, but here what we apply, reverse voltage, what we apply, reverse voltage, that why. So IRA equal to EB plus V, so RA equal to EB plus V divided by RA plus whatever the value here we inserted, whatever the value here we inserted, so that is RA plus RB. So once again see the equations, these are helpful for solving the problem. So that is, we are all know EB equal to V plus IA RA, EB equal to V plus IA RA. So that is general for general case. So IA equal to what one, difference of that voltages, difference of that voltages, that is EB minus V by IRA, EB minus V by IRA. So whatever it we here we can apply reverse, we can apply reverse here what we are inserted, so that is braking resistance also inserted. So that is IA equal to EB plus V divided by RA plus RB, RA plus RB. So that is here we can apply the reverse voltage, we can apply the reverse voltage. So the torque equal to minus kf into IA, minus kf into IA, because this is for separately excited motor, this is for separately excited motor, that is torque is directly proportional to pi IA, where pi is constant. We replacing that constant kf with negative value, kf with negative value. So similar way we can see the plugging operation for series motor, plugging operation for series motor. So for series motor we know, so the motor having that series resistance, that is field winding that are connected in series with the armature. So this here, these are the armature terminals. So here I can apply which one, so that is reverse voltage. What we are applied, reverse voltage. So along with the one braking resistance, that is RB. So this is series field RSC. So while we see the characteristics are somewhat drooping. So this is plugging characteristics, these are the motoring characteristics, so that are opposite to the plugging, that is plugging characteristics are opposite to the motoring action, opposite to the motoring action. So for series motor, the armature current is VA plus EB divided by RA plus RB plus including series field resistance. For this one not include series field resistance. So but here we include series field resistance, we include series field resistance. So here also torque, the torque equal to minus kaf into ia square, because the flux is directly proportional to the armature current in a series motor, the flux is directly proportional to the armature current in a series motor. So next we discuss about dynamic braking, that is what we are discuss, dynamic braking or rheostat braking, dynamic braking or rheostat braking. So in this braking we cut off the supply from the motor, we are cut off the supply from the motor, that means isolate the motor and supply, isolate the motor and supply, isolate the motor and supply. So and place a braking resistor, place a braking resistor. So isolate the motor and supply. So that is for separate excited motor. So this is separate field winding, So that is here we connected braking resistance RB. So here no need to connect any extra supply or whatever it may be. So we are separate the supply from the motor. So whatever the energy here, that is wasted in a RB, wasted in a RB. For this one, the armature current equal to EB by RA plus RB, RA plus RB. So here back EMF also negative, that is torque also negative, torque also negative. So the characteristics are same as that of that one. So that is characteristics for motoring, and these for braking, braking, motoring, braking and motoring. If you increases the RB value, the characteristics are decreases, characteristics are decreases. Similar way for series motor. So that is series field winding, that is connected to, so another rheostat, connected to rheostat. So here whatever the energy, when you isolate that one, that all are wasted in a RB. So the formula for A equal to EB by RA plus RB plus series field resistance. So the characteristics is, these are the motoring, these are the braking. So if you increases the, if you increases the values of braking resistance, so this is for one resistance characteristics. So similar way another, similar way another. So this value is greater than this value, this value is greater than this value. Suppose this one is RB1, RB2, RB3. So that is braking resistance. RB1 greater than RB2, greater than RB3. So this is about braking of electrical braking, that what we are discuss. So finally said that what we are discuss today, that is electrical braking, that is three types: plugging, dynamic and regenerative braking. Today class we discuss only plugging and dynamic braking. So plugging means we can apply the reverse voltage, we can apply the reverse voltage to the motor. That's why here I can apply the reverse voltage. So when you apply the reverse voltage, the reverse current will be flow, the speed will be opposite to that one, and decreases that value. So here for we can see the series separate excited motor and the series motor and their characteristics. So under dynamic braking, in that dynamic braking we are not apply any reverse voltages or anything. So we can apply, that means isolate the supply and motor, isolate the supply and motor, and connect one braking resistance, the whatever it may be the energy that is wasted here. So we can see the formula for armature current and the characteristics are seen. So thank you for watching this video. All of you watch this video and comment your roll number and comment section.